Hi everyone. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to import data from a basic Excel file into SQL Server. First of all, thank you for installing our software. Upon the installation, you will see this screen. On the left, you see a list of projects. And the default demo projects has a lot of useful tutorials, which I would recommend spending time looking at them and understanding how they work. So the first step we need to create new project. Do that by clicking right click and new with project. So we're loading data from Excel, so we need to create a directory. Let's call it source. This is a directory where our data is actually stored. And it's data source. Okay. So the next thing we need to create a SQL Server connection. It usually takes a while because it is getting a list of SQL servers from a network. So we'll call it demo data. And our database is demo. So the next step is we create transformation group. Call it TG. And after that, we create transformation. We call it people transformation. Our Excel file looks like this. Just list of people. It's randomly generated. And we have a table. It looks like that. It has already got some data. We will truncate data. So we delete the validator because we're not going to validate our data in this example. We need to set our reader type to Excel. Select our source connection. And we select Excel file. Call people. And we need to format the source, just auto format it. And we set field names to line number 1. Next step is to set write a connection property. So again, it is SQL Server. Demo data. Table is people. We can also truncate the data while loading it, before loading. Just truncate table. Okay. And the last step is actual mapping. We have a fantastic tool called AutoMap. We just click this button, click Map Now, and everything is mapped for us. On the right, we have a lot of transformation functions. At the moment, we have about 500 transformation functions, plus we have validation functions, and we also have embedded language similar to Pascal, and our software also supports Python. So we loading data into date of birth. So we need to format date field to make sure that it is in standard OTBC format. So we use date format function for it. I will explain in a second what is standard OTBC format. In fact, you will see it. So Okay, so say that this DD, M, and YYY. Okay. Another very useful feature is preview. So that's this format is the standard DBC format. If your data is already in this format, which happens most of the time when you pull data from the database, there is no need to use date format function. It just works. This screen allows us to do some testing. For example, we can enter some date. See, it is failing because we're saying that on error we set it to null. Or we can set it to current date, for example. Current date. Not working for some example. Okay. What we need to do, we need to, yeah, it is working now. All we needed to do is to restart the process. Okay, so next step and the last step is actually running the transformation. As you can see, it only took 4 seconds to load 100,000 rows from Excel file. Software supports a wide range of connections. You can use text, JSON, databases, etc. It also has embedded workflow designer. Show some basic. For example, check date. It's very basic workflow designer. It also has schedule, version control, event monitor, comprehensive execution logs, and it also runs Windows services. Right. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions, just ask us, and one of us will connect remotely and help you. And of course, please like and subscribe. Thank you. Bye.